Okay, welcome to the next video, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your data from Google Sheets and into NZGrapher. One of the things I need to do first that I didn't do in the last video is I just need to give these a title. So I'm going to put, for the first one here, I'm going to put gender, and for the next one, I'm going to put pay. Now what you will need to do is you need to copy and paste this. So select all your data, Control C to copy, and then across an NZGrapher you are going to go to paste table. In there we can hit Control V to paste it in. It doesn't matter what this actually looks like, it should paste in okay. Import it. Now I have gender and pay. I can set up my box and whisker graph, and I'm going to select pay as my numerical value, and my category is going to be gender. And there I have my graph. Obviously we can see here that we've got this big outlier which has caused problems with my graph when I put my box plot in, and maybe that's something we might consider taking that out due to my instructions maybe not being clear enough. So yeah, there's the data all pasted in for you.